Have you noticed that when we see someone, the first thing we say to people is, "Hey, how's your day going?" Or, "Hi, how are you today?" It's so interesting because we have a choice, right? Every single day of what kind of day it's going to be, no matter what kind of day it is. Hi, I'm Kim Zoller, and welcome to Wednesday's Wirings. Every single day we wake up with a choice. Is it going to be a great day? Is it going to be whatever day it comes my way? And I know I personally wake up and I say, it's going to be a great day. So whatever comes my way, no matter what. And how I react to it or how I respond to it is up to me. So I came up with this idea that maybe we should start asking people, hey, what is great about your day today? And I tried it out on my son today, and I said, hey, what was great about your day today? Tell me something. And he started laughing, and he said, well, I don't know if anything was great, but it was a really, really good day. Because what it did is I think it sets us up for something that's positive. So it's in the United States, it's Thanksgiving this week, and I just want to say thank you to all of our amazing clients and all of those of you who are a part of our growth club and everything else, or watch us or read our stuff, and that we are able to be conduits for growth for you. And I just want you to think about what kind of great day are you having today, and maybe try the question on someone else.